皆さんこんにちは、JSTV です。Today we're gonna talk about wait. Have you guys watched my Henshin video? If no, click the cut here or in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So today we're gonna talk about Henshin Sound. Let's see what we have on the official Kamen Rider Saber Henshin Belt Simulator website. Alright, let's scroll down on the website. Okay, as we can see here, there's a new Wander Rider book. Try Calibers. Alright, let's go one by one. Okay, I will start with Brave Dragon. That means Brave Dragon. Alright, next, Dragon Eagle. That means Tornado Dragon Eagle. Right, next, Sayu Dragon. That means Miracle Sayu Dragon. Next, Crimson Dragon. That means the mythical beast passes down through the age, answers by the name of Crimson Dragon. Next, Lion Senki. That means Lion Senki. Next, Lion Fantasista. That means Shining Lion Fantasista. Right, next, Lion Pegasus. That means Sacred Lion Pegasus. Next, Fantastic Lion Wonder Combo. That means the mane of the blue beast flutters in the sky. Fantastic Lion. Next, Lampto Alangina. That means Lampto Alangina. Right, next, Lampto Hejihoku. That means Ton Lambdo Hedgehog. Next, Lambdo Cerebellus. That means 3 proc Lambdo Sabers. Last one, Golden Alangina Wonder Combo.
バットランプの魔人が真の力を発揮するゴールデンアランジーナ
That means witness the Dijin of the Lamb's true power, Golden Alangina. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks a million. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time. Ja, matane. Watch the Henshin video.